So guys, our part 10 has been came very easily as of the Array Dsa. So get ready for it and please like this video, share friends and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to all the notification bell also so you never miss our these type of videos on the Array Dsa. Sorry, this is not part 10, this was part 9. Okay, so by the mistake I say part 10, so sorry for it. This is part 8. So now this is a video 11, okay, and the previous video is video 10, and this was Array Dsa part 9. So let's see it, what type of topic we are covering in today's video. So let's see it, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also so you never miss our these type of videos. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. Let's start. First topic is on about find common elements in three sorted arrays. So let's start our first topic. Given three sorted arrays in non-decreasing order, print all common elements in these arrays. Note that in case of duplicate common elements, print only once. For example, input A square bracket then equals to 1, 5, 10, 20, 30 in curly brackets. Then comma, then B square bracket then equals to in the curly bracket 5, 13, 15, 20. And C then square bracket then equals to 520. Output will become 520. Explanation: 5 and 20 are common in all the arrays. Okay, if you see, the 5 and 20 are common in all the arrays. That's why the output will become input a then square bracket equals to 2, 5, 10, 30. Then B square bracket then equals to 5, 20, 34. Then C square bracket then equals to 5, 13, 19. It gives me the output 5. Why? 5 occurs multiple times in all three arrays, but it will be printed once. Here you can see in the A variable the 5 has been printed. In this B variable the 5 has been, and in the last C variable the 5 has been printed. So that's why 5 it is giving me the 5 output. Try it on GFG practice. Table of content. First, native approach using hashing /0 n plus n1 plus n2 plus n3 multiplied by log n1 time and o n1 space. Expected approach using 3 pointers minus 0 n1 plus n2 plus n3 time and o1 space. Naive approach using hashing minus 4 n1 n2 n3 multiplied by log n1 and time and o n1 space. Now the basic idea is to use hashing for storing the common element and in three sorted arrays. This can be implemented by iterate over the first array and for each element mark its value equals to 1 in hash table. Now iterate over the second array and for each element in the second array mark value equals to 2 of only those elements which already had the value equals to 1 in the map. This will ensure that all the common elements among the first two arrays have value equals to 2 in hash table. Number 3. Finally, iterate over the third array and for each element in the third array, mark value equals to 3 of all those elements which already had value equals to 2 in the hash table. Print all elements from the map which has value equals to 3. Below is our implementation of above approach. This one CSS code implementation of the in the above approach. So let's run it. This is the many codes. There are 60 codes. So the output will become common elements, then ratio, then 520. Then I will be explaining you why. So like you know, in the previous video you use the wraplet. So in today's video we are also using the wraplet, and let me open my C++ file where we wrote our where we paste our CSS code. So sorry, C++ code. So let's open our C++ file. So it take a little bit time to open it because the net is my working is a little bit slow, not very much, a little bit. Okay, and please get ready for part 5. Part 5 is also coming very soon, so get ready for it. So it will take a little bit time, then it will be open. Okay, so this and you are thinking why I'm using the wraplet. In the wraplet there you do not want to install any C++ extensions and all the things. In the wraplet you only write your codes perfectly, and then it give you the output. In the Visual Studio Code you download the extensions and all the thing. But the Visual Studio Code is offline text editor, but Wraplet is online. It is work on browser. That's why there are some disadvantage or applet also. Okay, so now take a little bit time, then it will be open. And first of all, you log in it in the applet, then you'll be use the applet. If you do not log in the applet, so you do not use the applet. Okay, so now it take a time, then it will be open. Then when it has been opened, then we will work on our CSS C++ code. So let's take a little bit time, then it will be open. But let me minimize it, and the output will become a common element, a ratio 520, like I have told you. Okay, and why this type of an output will become, that I will be told you when I run the code. So then I will be told you. So why my applet has been not opening? So let me click on the applet. Okay, there is some glitch, so that's why it is not opening. Now it has been opened. So now I'm pasting the code. So there are coming the numbers, so I copy it and let me come on to the AI assistant and let me say remove numbers, and then I write the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60. So now it has been starting to remove my all the numbers which I have written down. So it has been started, so it has been removed all the numbers. So I will be copy my code and then I come on my file and then I paste it. So now when I run my code from here, so the output will become, let me take a little bit time, then it will give you the output. So it will give me common element 5 and 20. Why? It will give me a common element 5 and 20. So like I have told you, it is giving me 5 and 20 common element because in the a variable, in the a, we write 1 5. In the first one there is 5. Okay, there is 5, and the second one there is 20. Okay, here you can see it. And the second one there is 5 and 20. In the third one there is 5 and 20. So that's why it is giving common element 5 and 20. Okay, so let's come on it here. Time complexity O n1 multiplied by log n1 plus n2 multiplied by log n1 plus n3 multiplied by log n1 minus 4n1 plus n2 plus n3 multiplied by log n1, where n1 and n2 and n3 are sizes of a, b and c respectively. Okay, here let me show you this. Okay, this one common there these are sizes of a, b, c and respectively. Okay, these are the sizes. Then let me come on it, sorry, let me come down where I'm going. Okay, so let's come on it here down. Let's come on it here. We create a non. So why we created n1 and n2 and n3 are sizes of a, b, c respectively. This is because internally we are adding all the elements of a in the map, resulting in n1 multiplied by log n1. Then for all elements in b and c, we need to find all elements in map, resulting in n2 multiplied by log n1 plus n3 multiplied by log n1. Actually space 0 and 1. Expected approach using 3 pointers minus O n1 plus n2 plus n3 time and 0 1 space. We can avoid merging or intersection of sorted arrays altogether with the help of 3 pointers. We know that the arrays are stored in a non-decreasing order, so at any point the smaller integer among the corresponding pointers will also be smaller integer in the merged sorted arrays. With the fact, the approach can be defined as first. So to find the common integer among the 3 sorted arrays from the starting position, we can take simply 3 pointers, one at each sorted array, and check if the current elements are same or not. Number 2, when a common integer has been found, we want to move forward in each array, otherwise only the pointer to the smallest integer among the 3 must move forward. The working of this approach has been explained after the implementation. Below is the implementation above approach. So in there we run this approach. Okay, implementation. So let's run this implementation. So these all the code has been written. So the output will become common elements 5 and 20. Why? Let me tell you. First of all, let me comment it here and let me see remove. And you are thinking why I'm writing one more. Why I'm writing number one more time, because I like to write a number. Okay, so I'm writing here remove numbers 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So now I do not do the incorrect. Now I do not write the incorrect number. I write only the perfect number. If I write incorrect number, so you do not see my video. Okay? 44, 45, 46, 9, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 60. Oh no, sorry. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Okay, so I'm right the number till 68, but it has been till 73. So this is my mistake. No, but I had been remove all the numbers. So let's copy it. Let's come on it here and let me paste it. So it give me the output. Let me see. It give me the output. Common elements are, let's see, 5 and 20. Why? It give me the common elements are 5 and 20 because in my array there are 5 and 20 are very. In the first array there is 5 and 20. In the second array there is a 5 and 20. In the third array there is a 5 and 20. In the all the both in the triple three arrays there are all 5 and 20. So that's why it is giving common elements is 5 and 20. Working of three pointers approach. Now below is the working of above implementation. Complexity analysis. Time complexity q o n1 plus n2 plus n3 is the in the worst case the largest size array may have all small elements and the middle size array has all middle elements. Actually space o1. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. So if you enjoy, so please like this video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell. Also never miss our these type of videos on the arrays of data structure. So guys, here you can see that this video has been ended very successfully. After our part 9 has been ended about the Array Dsa. So get ready for our part 10. The part 10 has been coming very soon. So get ready for it and please like this video if you enjoy this video and please subscribe my channel and all the notification bell also so never miss our these type of videos on the Array DSA means an array data structure and algorithm. So let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.